Hello, my name's Lauren from Stoke Audi, and today we'll be showing you around this exciting approved used Audi Q2 Sport 35 TFSI. It comes dressed in the gorgeous Manhattan grey, sure to turn heads when on the road, and at the time of this recording the vehicle has done just over 5,125 miles. Standing on 17-inch alloy wheels with a 5-arm design, making a bold statement with every turn. For added convenience, the power-operated tailgate makes loading and unloading a breeze when those hands are full. Showing you the boot area, as you can see, there is plenty of space for your every day-to-day needs. To the rear, you have the stylish cloth upholstery with the ISOFIX anchor point to easily install your child's car seat. To the front of the cabin, you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel, the Audi virtual cockpit, and to the centre of the car's dash, the MMI multimedia display and climate control system. Sink into the driver's seat with the running theme of the cloth upholstery and the front centre armrest for extra support. Behind the wheel, you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the controls to the Audi virtual cockpit right at the driver's fingertips and a gear shift paddle for a more convenient drive. The Audi virtual cockpit displaying key features in the driver's view, such as a variety of your favourite DAB radio stations to choose from, connection of your mobile phone device to stay in touch with loved ones, and a wide view of the navigation map, so no need to take your eyes off the road. The MMI multimedia display going into Audi smartphone. To use Apple CarPlay or Android Auto by connection of the car's USB port. Into Maps, to help you easily find your desired destination with confidence and ease. Telephone, to stay in touch with friends and family when on the go. Media, to have all your favourite apps stored in one place. Radio, to choose from your favourite DAB radio stations. And in the car menu, with Audi Drive Select, to choose your preferred driving mode such as Dynamic for a more sporty drive or Comfort for those longer journeys. Below, you have the manual air conditioning, so both driver and passenger can set the preferred temperature for the cabin. Stay connected with the 12-volt and USB charging points, 2 cup holders for those morning coffees, finished off with the sleek automatic gearbox and electric parking brake, and not to mention the MMI multimedia control pad. This approved used Audi Q2 is now available and on site. For more information, please contact our sales team, who'd be more than happy to help. Thank you.